Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever it is to you. We're back at the Dundee Truck Show, day 3. Today is just awards and a little bit of stuff. Not totally sure. I apologize for the wind, but we're here and they're doing awards right now. We're walking up to it, and then I have to drive Cody's truck behind him in the big Kenworth back up to MBH where he can drop it off, and then we're coming back here. So yeah. Keith brought home 2/3 and a first place.
What?
Cody! Cody, what'd you get? What you got? Third
First,
place.
second, third.
First, second, third.
Yeah.
With the W9.
Apparently you get trophies for breaking windows.
Apparently. And then Phil brought home,
Yeah, see ya.
I believe, 2/3 and a first place. So good job to them.
See this guy right here? This is my buddy Jack Garney. This is my buddy. I know him.
I know him too. He's a legend.
Oh my.
So now,
We're going to eat, so
where are you
we're
going?
Oh wait, you're following me, are you? Well, we're just gonna send it and truck it off and, you know, do some big breaks and some fucking grain alarms.
Taking this to you?
No.
Why not?
Well, we could just send it.
They're just gonna send that. How do you feel after driving it? First words out of the cab.
I go somewhere where there's not people.
Yeah.
Again.
So now we're in Big Peter Cody's truck. You just saw him fly by us. We're working on catching up to him. We are headed up to, not Hemlock this time, we're just going up to MBH where Cody works. Weberville to drop off the truck that he drove down here, and then somebody else is giving Danny and Andrew a ride back up to Hemlock. So we just gotta go up there, and I guess a lot of roads are washed out, so it should be an interesting trip up there. And then we are heading back down to Dundee so I can get my car, and then I don't know what the rest of the day holds, but that's what we're doing right now. Just made it to MBH. That's where we're dropping the truck off. How was the drive? Fun. Exciting and fun. Fantastic, fun and exciting. So here we are, leaving the truck here.
I don't know where to put it. Well, I gotta leave it somewhere where the window can stay down with the poppers don't work.
At all? Even the passenger one?
Drops a trailer right in the middle of the parking lot.
Go good. hug from
Nice
him.
meeting you, man.
You
See
too.
ya. Hey, Cody. Yeah, leave me hanging. All right.
All right. Oh, there it is.
Nice meeting you. Nice
You
meeting
too.
Hey, that's a nice looking window. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in my pickup.
Right in the back. So we just got the truck here, parking it up here, and now we are gonna be.
What, are you silly? I'm still gonna send it.
He's still gonna send it, but
I'm still gonna send it.
Oh. So we got the truck here. Cody's got a few things to throw in there, and then
we gotta go back to Blissfield.
we gotta go back.
And I gotta come back up here. And I gotta go to work tomorrow. I gotta go back to reality. Ugh.
Well, we gotta go to Dundee first.
Oh yeah. Just to let you know, adulting sucks.
So if any of you out there haven't started adulting yet,
Yeah.
don't be in a
go
hurry.
out.
Here's the window that Cody broke.
Shut up.
On purpose, wasn't an accident.
No, it was an accident. I was trying to.
What, were you trying to slide it open?
I was trying to slide it on off of the track,
And it broke.
and it fucking sent.
It sent its way to the ground in multiple pieces.
Yeah.
We made it back to Dundee.
Now we're gonna go grab some grub.
Now we're gonna soak up some sun, some water. Cody is right there, back in the big old Peter. I think we're gonna go to Adrian and wash the whips, and then
Go home.
go home and I'm gonna edit this video. You wanna come over and play Xbox? Xbox?
I don't know. I might go to Blades later.
Wanna come over and play Xbox? For what?
He wants me to stay in the night.
For what?
What do you mean for what?
For what?
Stop.
Ooh, and see nothing.
Yeah, what? It's fun there. Oh wait.
Well, yeah, but like it's boring most of the time. Most of the time, it's boring.
Oh wait. Yeah.
Well,
Alright.
we're gonna drive and go to the car wash and then wash the cars. Maybe I'll have Brandon film it a little bit. So yeah. Hello. Aren't you fancy? Bring your own damn soap to the car wash. Where'd Brandon go?
To get some food.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
There's people all over and I'm playing dog shit.
Screw it. Just
Just gotta send it.
Just gonna send it at the car wash. That's where we just got. We're gonna wash our bod. I gotta fix that. I got a new one at home. I just haven't gotten around to putting the new one in yet, but I will do that soon. On our way to pick up some pizza. Then going back to my house to chow down on the grub.
On the grub.
Can't even see you.
Right.
Mozzarella bread. Pizza. Time to eat. I know you're not supposed to drive with the light on, I know. But I'm driving through town, there's nobody out. It's like 12:30 right now. I just dropped Brandon back off at home, and I realized I'm not wearing a hat, so my hair probably looks really bad because of hat hair. But anyway, I just dropped Brandon off at home, and I'm headed home right now. And I had a pretty fun day. The awards were fun, had a good time hanging out with everybody. And I met some new people at the show. That was awesome. I always love meeting new people and making new friends. I had a good time at the show. It was a great 3 days, and we got so much done, and it was just a really good time. So I'm on my way back home right now. I'm not doing anything else tonight. I'm gonna edit the video, and that's it. Nothing good or fun is going on, so you're not gonna be missing out on anything like that. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then drop a big thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel if you are new and haven't already, and we will see you in the next one.